Okay, so we're now going to add the liquid oils to our mixture. I'm using a new fragrance today. I'm not sure how it's going to work, whether it'll speed the soap up, so I'm not going to add it until I've decanted it off. I'm using 4 colours today, so it's quite a complicated soap, so I want to keep it as loose as possible to give me as much time as possible to make my soap. So that's my colours measured out, and this is my base soap, which I'm going to colour white. I'm going to put those to one side for now. Add the colour in a moment.